everyone, this is Dr. Edwards, and I wanted to come on to make a very quick video about number one, how to follow a hashtag, number two, the ins and outs about Twitter, and then also to introduce you to another online Twitter product that you can use to keep up with hashtags and with chats and things of that nature. Okay, so let's dig in. So on the left hand side you can see how many tweets you've sent or you've posted. You can see how many people you're following and then how many people are following you. This is always going to be the background, so if you're on a mobile device, this appears on the background of your profile, and this is your profile picture. Okay, so this is a Moments tab. So basically, this is this is a basically the news of what's happening today, and news is relative, but this is basically news, sports, entertainment, and also fun. Also, the notifications piece is up there as well, so you can see exactly who Twitter recommends that you could possibly follow on the left-hand side. I have this focused on Houston trends because sometimes Houston is more into the social media scene than the Dallas-Fort Worth area, but you can always change that to whatever area you're part of. And then also you can get tailored trends as well. Let's see if I can move this up. I can't, but you can get tailored trends as well. And so trends for you. So according to everything that I've liked and everything of that nature, then these are the trends that are recommended for me. So there you go. Also, you can see your messages by clicking this tab, and just because of privacy reasons, I'm not going to click that yet, but you can see your messages here, and if you have messages, you'll see like a 1, a 2, a 3, etc. Also, this is a great way for you to interact with people who have reached out to you, so there you go. And then last but not least, this is the search bar. So you can see everything that I've searched for in the past few days. And then also you can search. So for instance, if I am searching for social mobile tech, then just pressing enter, and then it basically presents an entirely different set of tabs. So I can see all of the tweets that you guys have posted, and then also this is according to the top tweet. I always recommend that you go to the latest tweet, so that you are the latest tab, so that you can see all of the tweets in chronological order instead of the popularity. So top is popularity, latest is chronological, and then also you can see the people who use that particular hashtag. And so sometimes according to and this is, we've mentioned Facebook, we've mentioned Snapchat with that hashtag, so that is why these people are included in that as well. Okay, photos and also videos. Let's see if any of our videos pop up. Oh goodness, yeah, that video pops up, and news and broadcast, we wouldn't have any of those. Okay, so to follow this particular hashtag, you go to these 3 dots. Anytime you see 3 dots, just hover over it or just click it, and it's a neat way to discover more. So 3 dots, and that's good for any website. So I would go to save this search, and so that basically means that it is going to appear on my recent searches, and these are all of my saved searches. So anytime you don't want to type in the social mobile tech, then you just go to your Twitter search box, and this is the save searches piece right here. And let's see, where is it? Oh, it's all the way at the bottom, but this is part of my save searches for social mobile tech, and that will appear there. Okay, let's see. Also, Tweetdeck is another website that I use quite frequently. I have a Mac, so there is a Mac app for Tweetdeck. So just type in tweetdeck.twitter.com. And so with Tweetdeck, it's really neat because you can see all of the with Tweetdeck, it's really neat because you can see all of the messages in one swoop. So you can see all of the things that you've searched for, and then also you can look for basically any of the hashtags that you've looked for, and it sets up a feed based on that hashtag. So yeah, it's really neat, and it's a great way for you to engage without having to search for multiple things at one time. So I definitely recommend it. If you have any questions about TweetDeck, to create a TweetDeck, all you do is to go to search Twitter and say if it's social mobile tech, then it will create an entire row or entire column focused on that hashtag. And so with that hashtag, you can break it down by looking at number of engagements. So if you want to look at the number, at least if I want to look at your tweets and to look at people who have at least 2 retweets, then this is one that used the social mobile tech that had at least 2 retweets. If I want to look at the tweets with 5 likes, none has 5 likes yet, but at least 2 likes. You can see all of the ones who have at least 2 likes. So Logan, shout out to you. And then with replies, at least, and this is a great way to break down data, especially if you're working for an organization, at least 5 replies. You can see, you can see who your influencers are as well. On tweet authors, you can look at by specific user, by me, a verified user, or a member of a list that I have. And then also you can look at it by location. So you can do a geolocation. So say if you're looking at tweets near Stephenville, and this is if they have their location turned on. So you can look at tweets near Stephenville. And so my radius is going to be like 100 meters. And we have no tweets, but we will widen that to kilometers. And so I can see that Ethan tweets from Stephenville and has the location on. So yeah, it's very, very interesting to see how you can break down the data. And last but not least, you can make this a small media preview, hidden media preview, or a large media preview as well. But that's all I have, and I hope you're having a great day, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Please feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions. I am at DRGT Edwards, and I will see you guys soon. Have a good day. Bye.
Guys, hope you're having a good day. Bye.